Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable and install apps from unknown sources on your Amazon Fire TV stick. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable install apps from unknown sources or to install third-party apps, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to go to the settings, click on the settings. After that, you can see here My Fire TV. You just need to click on that. In this, you can see second option, developer option. You have to click on this. Here you will find two options, ADV debugging and app from unknown sources. First, you have to turn on ADV debugging. After that, you can see here apps from unknown sources. You have to turn this on. You just need to click on that and click on turn on. You can see apps from unknown sources. Just turn it on. After doing this, you can install any third-party app on this. That's it guys. So in this way, you can enable and install apps from unknown sources. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.